Gentlemen, in my statement last year, I referred to the economic crisis and the difficulties which our country would be facing during 2017. Unfortunately, these prophecies proved to be correct, and through the year, all sectors of our economy suffered severe hardships, and the unstable political situation not only in this state but in many other parts in India led to the disruption of our daily business and in some cases violent disturbances. However, this year the monsoon was favorable, and this together with the increased effort of our cultivators has produced a record harvest which has enabled the country to defeat the green prospectus famine. We therefore face this coming year with much more confidence, and as the effects of the increased crops filter through the economy, the prospectus of improved trading conditions are much brighter. The budget and the reduced bank rate should also stimulate the economy and lead to an increased rate in all sectors. The finance minister is to be congratulated on the firm stand he has taken against direct taxation, and I am sure that given another reasonable monsoon, the country will greatly benefit from his measures and the economy will be much stronger by this time next year. 2017 is now past history, and we must now look forward to 2018. But if there is one thing to be learned from the events of last year, that is the absolute necessity for firm and stable government in all states. Without this fundamental basis, it is impossible for us to make the progress which we wish to make and which we all expect to achieve. We cannot pull ourselves out of the present economic recession unless all of us, namely public sector, private sector, and labor, are united to work together to the almost of our capabilities. When we, against this background of disturbed and unstable conditions, I consider therefore that your company's results for 2017 are satisfactory. Sales improved by rupees 25 lakhs over the previous year, and this together with increased revenue from other sources enabled uh, us to increase the gross profit by 19% and the net profit by 9%. This improvement in revenue was by increased volume of material sold. Our selling prices affected unchanged for as a result of the expansion scheme remained completed in 2017. Our production in 2017 was over 37 million pounds, only 7%